To fix a MetaTrader 5 invalid account, you need to understand the possible causes of the issue and follow a step-by-step approach to resolve it. The first step is to check your account credentials, ensuring that your login, password, and server name are correct. If you are using a demo account, make sure it has not expired, as demo accounts typically have a limited lifespan. Next, verify that your internet connection is stable, as a poor connection can cause authentication issues. Also, check if your firewall or antivirus software is blocking the MetaTrader 5 platform. If so, you may need to add the platform to the list of allowed programs or temporarily disable the security software. Another common cause of an invalid account is an incorrect server name or a server that is down for maintenance. You can find the correct server name in the email you received when you opened the account, or by contacting your broker's support team. If the server is down, you can try connecting to a different server or wait until the maintenance is complete. Additionally, make sure your MetaTrader 5 platform is up to date, as outdated versions may cause compatibility issues. You can check for updates by going to the platform's official website or by contacting your broker. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to reinstall the platform or contact your broker's support team for further assistance. It is also important to note that some brokers may have specific requirements or restrictions for their accounts, so it is a good idea to review your account agreement and terms of service to ensure you are complying with all the requirements. By following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you should be able to fix your MetaTrader 5 invalid account and get back to trading.